I'm Justin Rushmore, the owner of the Bug Club. Today at the Brighton Music Conference, we're featuring our Unplugged Bug, the supersized bug, where we are playing completely off-grid. We've got a custom-built Martin audio rig, which sounds absolutely amazing. The sun's been out, people have been having a killer time, and basically this is the place to be.
It's been absolutely brilliant having the Bug here.
It's got an absolutely banging sound system in it.
We're going in. We're inside the Bug right now. At the moment we've got the lovely Gadio DJs playing. Still sunny, it's still hot, and the vibes are obviously off the scale.
It's unplugged, it's totally running off no electricity but just battery powered.
It is booming, it is banging, it is bassy.
It's absolutely brilliant.
We love it.
As you can see, the messaging, we're trying to teach people to party responsibly. We've been going since 10 o'clock this morning. We've got another 3 hours to go. Perfect timing. We're going to run all the way through till 6. Thank you, BMC, for having us. It's been incredible.